Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, openinterpreter, a project that lets you run a powerful coding agent directly on your local machine using more affordable language models. It's like giving an AI full access to your computer to complete complex tasks, from data analysis to software development, all in your local environment. What if you could make a budget AI model perform like a premium one, right from your computer's terminal? That question is at the heart of this project. It's not about building another AI, but about creating a sophisticated system to get the most out of the ones we already have. The project is called openinterpreter. It's developed by the organization of the same name and has been gaining incredible traction, with nearly 65,000 stars on GitHub and over 600 added in just a single day. At its core, it's a coding agent that's been rewritten from the ground up in Rust. Its main goal is to run AI agents securely and efficiently on a local machine, all while boosting the performance of less expensive language models. The core problem it solves is a classic trade-off between cost, performance, and security. On one hand, high-performance AI models are expensive. On the other, cheaper models often fail at complex coding tasks. And running any AI agent with access to your local files introduces major security risks. Before openinterpreter, developers had to choose. They could use cloud solutions and sacrifice privacy, or run models without a guiding framework and get poor results. The project's unique angle is its local agent harness system. This system guides less capable models, dramatically boosting their performance without needing to connect to a costly external service. So, let's dive into the tech. At its core, openinterpreter is a meta-agent framework. Its architecture is built around a Rust engine that acts as an orchestrator between the user, the AI model, and the local operating system. Its most innovative feature is something called harness emulation. A harness is like a highly specialized playbook for a specific AI model. Each one is a Rust native module that structures prompts and defines tool use strategies to squeeze out maximum performance. Best of all, users can switch these harnesses on the fly with a simple command. The decision to rewrite the project in Rust was a critical one. It provides memory safety guarantees, which are vital for a tool that executes potentially untrusted code generated by an AI. It also delivers a significant performance boost over the original Python version. Finally, the project uses native sandboxing. Instead of relying on heavy solutions like Docker, it uses lightweight, operating system-level isolation. This creates a strong security boundary with minimal overhead, making the entire experience feel fast and responsive. In the real world, developers are using openinterpreter for rapid prototyping. They can instruct the agent in natural language to write, execute, and debug code. Software testers can automate user interface testing for both web and desktop apps by using its built-in QA skills. Even data analysts can use conversational commands to have the agent clean data or generate visualizations. And getting started is incredibly simple. Installation is just a single line in the terminal, making it a highly accessible tool for any developer or tech enthusiast who wants to control their computer with plain language. Community feedback has been largely positive. Users praise the ability to run code and shell commands locally, calling it a powerful combination for automating workflows. The open-source, local-first approach is also a huge draw for privacy and cost control. However, it's not without its critics. Some users have raised concerns about stability and reliability, noting that results are not always reproducible. And, as you might expect, security remains a primary topic of discussion, with many advising caution when granting the agent system-level permissions. But here's a contrarian view. The project's greatest strength, its harness system, could also be its greatest weakness. Maintaining high-quality harnesses for the latest, rapidly evolving AI models will be a massive, continuous effort. If the project fails to keep pace, its performance advantage will simply erode. Furthermore, while native sandboxing is a strong feature, any flaw in its implementation could lead to a sandbox escape, which is a high-impact security breach. The project's safety is only as strong as its most vulnerable security setting. In the end, OpenInterpreter's true value isn't that it's another AI agent. Its value is as a framework that maximizes the utility of other models, especially affordable ones, all on your own hardware. It represents a significant step towards democratizing powerful, locally run AI automation and puts control firmly back in the hands of the developer.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.